Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have React router and routes. Now start building. First, decide whether you will read breadcrumb labels from route meta, a mapping object, or compute them dynamically from params. Once chosen, create a breadcrumbs component and import use location and link from React router. You will parse the current path name into segments, then map each segment to a display label. Make sure to trim empty segments and handle the route path. This gets you into the first actionable step quickly. Once you have the path name, split it into segments and accumulate URLs progressively so each breadcrumb links to the correct path. You will map each segment to a human-friendly title using either route meta, a lookup object keyed by route, or a function that formats params. As you iterate, render link components for every segment except the last one. The final segment should be plain text to indicate the current page. Make sure to decode URI components and normalize casing so labels read well. To finish, wire your breadcrumbs into the layout so it updates on navigation. Test routes with params and nested paths. If labels require data fetching, return a placeholder and replace it when the fetch resolves, or derive names from route state. Once done, add area attributes like area label and mark the current crumb with area current for accessibility. Troubleshooting tip: if crumbs don't update, ensure you use location or listen to route changes. Stale closures often block up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.